What up guys, it's Nicole and today I'm doing the Instagram chooses your makeup, which I know is like technically a million years ago in YouTube world, but I decided I wanted to do it. So yeah, obviously I went to Instagram and put out a bunch of products. I asked people to vote, so yeah, if you want to see this video, just keep on watching and yeah. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and let's just jump straight into it. So for primer, there was 3 options. There was Designer Brands, Hangover Primer and Australis. And yeah, so it was 50-50 between the Hangover Primer by Too Faced and the Australis Primer, the original. So I don't know if this is really allowed or if there's set rules. I did really remember to look into it, but I kind of would go half-half. So I think for my right side I'm going to do Hangover and my left is going to be the Australis. I've never used the Australis before, so let's hope it's a goodie. Does this every time I want to film. Wants to be in my room. Why? Okay, so like I said, left side is the Australis. Oh, it has like a weird texture to it. All I'm going to say for that one is a little bit will go a long way. I put too much on my hand, so I'm going to have to like wipe that off. Now for the right side, which is my favorite, Too Faced. Let's put this here. I'm going to do my eyebrows next so the primer has time to like settle into my skin. I find if I let it settle in, my foundations work really good on top of it instead of going over it straight away. So for eyebrows, there was the Benefit pomade, the Benefit pencil, the NYX pencil and the ABH pomade. People chose the ABH pomade, so I'll go in with that today. I haven't used this pomade in bloody forever, so let's hope it still works. Very thick. I have to warm it up on the back of my hand, otherwise it's not going to work out very well. It goes a long way with this pomade. So that was Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in soft brown. So for foundation today, people chose the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. I feel like the ABH pomade and this foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me, hasn't been spoken about in bloody forever. Or maybe it's just the people I watch. What I like about that foundation is how nice it applies and the fact that you can build it up so easily, but you can also leave it and you can still see a little bit of your natural skin underneath. No surprise here, people chose the Shape Tape by Tarte. The options were the Maybelline concealer, the Age Rewind, and a Nude by Nature concealer. Okay, for setting powder, I think I had the Laura Mercier setting powder or the Maybelline Fit Me. Everyone chose the Maybelline Fit Me. So for bronzer today, I had the options of the Hoola Benefit or this Tarte Clay Play palette. Now, I've used this once before and I don't know if it was the colour I chose or my brushes. It didn't really sit that well on my skin, but I'm going to give it a try because everyone chose it obviously, but hopefully this time it works out and it looks a little bit better on my skin than normal. I'm going to try and go in with Terracotta maybe and see if that works. I think before I tried the desert one, and I don't know if that has anything to do with as to why it didn't sit that nice on my skin. I'm just going to go in with a little bit just to see how it reacts. Okay, just got to tone that down a little bit there. You know what, that colour didn't turn out so bad on me after all, so thank you to voted for this. Maybe I can actually start using this a little bit more. I think it was the colours I was choosing that it just didn't want to work well. So now for blush, people chose the Dandelion by Benefit. It was between this and the NARS blush. For highlight, it was the Jeffree Star highlight, there was Mary Lou, there was ABH, and there was something else. People sort of like voted for all of them, but this one came out on top. So I'm gonna use these three. That one, that one, that one. So Lucky Clover, Pink Heart, and Blue Ice. For eyes, only a few people voted for eye palettes, otherwise it would have just ended up looking like this with lips and mascara. But a few people voted for the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, so first off I'm going to dip into this colour right here. One of that Hachima. Not cool. I'm gonna go in with that one and put that in my crease as well. I'm gonna start deepening up the crease with that and that colour. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I think I'm just going to do a nice natural eye today. And I think honestly I'm just going to leave it at that. I know I could have done a nicer look with this palette, but low-key just want to keep it natural. For mascara today, people chose the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Yeah, it was this one, the Lights Camera Lashes, or the Australis mascara. Oh, also the Benefit Bad Girl Bag. And for lips, people just chose the Fenty Gloss. So I'm going to just line my lips with a Colourpop line. And that's the final look, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what video you'd like to see next. And yeah, this is how it turned out. Instagram chooses my makeup. See you next time.